I'm going to answer this question in two parts. The first part you will really like. The second part you'll hate. So we'll do the likey part first, and then we'll go on to the hatey part. Likey part. Here's how you get rid of your stock. Simplest way is to run a lightning deal, something like that, or you can do something like in Australia, catch of the day. You could do a catch of the day deal. You could do that and run a deal on a daily deal website. To do that in Australia, catch of the day is great. In America, Groupon is good. Excuse me. Groupon is good. Living Social is good. But what I do in America, because there's so many deal sites, is do daily deal and then my keyword. So whatever the niche I'm in. Homewares, for instance. Daily deal homewares. So that's how I would do that. Secret sales, for instance, is really good for homeware deals. You want to find the daily deal site commensurate with what you're selling and go after those guys, okay? That's a great tip. The other thing you can do is do something called a removal order and get your product taken out of Amazon and then, you know, do with it as you want. So that's the nicey, you'll like that answer. The hatey answer is there are no fizzer products. There is no such thing. Well, no, I'm going to go with that. There's no such thing as a fizzer product on Amazon. All there is poorly executed launches. That's all there is. Amazon, if you have done your research and ascertained that there is a market for your product on Amazon, the only reason that your product will fizz and not sell is because you haven't launched it properly. So don't look to for products that are going to be potential fizzers. Instead, ask yourself, what is the way to launch this product onto Amazon in such a way that I can get the position that I am targeting? Now remember, it's important to keep stressing this. You do not need to be posse number one for your particular Father's Day, for your particular search term. You do not need to be number one to make sales. Anywhere on page one will make you sales on Amazon, all right? Anywhere on page one. So the strategy is to target the position that you're after. So here is a crazy search term, Father's Day gifts. Can you imagine how many people search for that prior to Father's Day? I mean, it is just ludicrous how many people will search for that. Let's go look at this. So, well, to get position number one, that's going to be pretty tough. We've got to get over 1,500 reviews. That's going to be a hard task. Posse number two, 4,000 reviews. Shit, we're never going to do that. It's going to take us forever. We may as well give up. But wait a minute, what is this? Position number three has only got 38 reviews. Holy shit, who would have thunk it? Well, I can definitely beat that. So I can target position number three, and all I have to do is beat them and their strategy, and I will get posse number three. So I'm not going to target posse 1 or 2. I'm targeting position number 3 instead, because that's the strategic way of launching on Amazon. Then you simply work your way backwards. Well, how many sales have I got to make? How many reviews do I need to have? Yada, yada, yada. And build your launch sequence and launch strategy around that. There are no fizzer products. Doesn't exist on Amazon. And given that you found a product that's got that has got a desire as a need on and is making sales on Amazon, the rest is just down to your launch strategy. That's all. The rest is just down to that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.